Evaluate 721 times 20. Solution. To evaluate 721 times 20, we can use the standard multiplication. 721 times 20 is equal to 2 times 10 times 721. Equals 7,210 times 2. Which can be written in the form 7,210 times 2. Calculating, we have 2 times 0 gives 0. 2 times 1 gives 2. 2 times 2 gives 4. 2 times 7 gives 14. So, 721 times 20 is equal to 14,420. By how much is 0.0075 less than 1? Solution. Subtract 0.0075 from 1.0000. Write down the numbers vertically, aligning the decimal points. Subtract starting from the right. Since we can't subtract 5 from 0. So we borrow 1 here, remainder 0, and add to the next column to make 10. Borrow 1, remainder 9, and add to the next column to make 10. Borrow 1, remainder 9, and add to the next column to make 10. Borrow 1, remainder 9, and add to the next column to make 10. 10 minus 5 gives 5. 9 minus 7 gives 2. 9 minus 0 gives 9. 9 minus 0 gives 9. Bring down the decimal point. 0 minus 0 gives 0. Evaluate 3,952 divided by 13. A. 3,004. B. 3,040. C. 340. D. 304. E. 34. Solution. We start by dividing 3,952 divided by 13. Equals 3,952 by 13. 39 divided by 13 gives 3. Subtract 39 from 39 gives 0. We add 0 as next digit. Now we have 52. 52 divided by 13 gives 4. Subtract 52 from 52 gives 0. We don't have any more digits to bring down, so our division is complete. So, 3,952 divided by 13 is equal to 304.